Engaging present tense sentences. Master your grammar with this exercise. You are watching Quick English Tutorials. Let's begin. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. She is reading a book right now. She is reading a book right now. We have visited Paris before. We have visited Paris before. They have been working on this project for hours. They have been working on this project for hours. He always wears a hat in the sun. He always wears a hat in the sun. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. I usually drink coffee in the afternoon. I usually drink coffee in the afternoon. The cat has caught a mouse. The cat has caught a mouse. They are playing tennis at the moment. They are playing tennis at the moment. She has been learning Spanish for a year. She has been learning Spanish for a year. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. I work from 9 to 5. I work from 9 to 5. We have watched that movie already. We have watched that movie already. He is jogging in the park. He is jogging in the park. She always forgets her keys. She always forgets her keys. They have studied for the exam. They have studied for the exam. It is snowing in the mountains. It is snowing in the mountains. I usually take a bus to work. I usually take a bus to work. The kids have been playing video games all day. The kids have been playing video games all day. He often helps his sister with her homework. He often helps his sister with her homework. I have known him since kindergarten. I have known him since kindergarten. They are building a new house next door. They are building a new house next door. She has been living here for 10 years. She has been living here for 10 years. I watch TV on weekends. I watch TV on weekends. We usually go to the beach in summer. We usually go to the beach in summer. The teacher is explaining a new lesson. The teacher is explaining a new lesson. I have cooked dinner for you. I have cooked dinner for you. They are talking on the phone. They are talking on the phone. He has finished his homework. He has finished his homework. It is getting dark outside. It is getting dark outside. I usually eat lunch at noon. I usually eat lunch at noon. She has been working out at the gym. She has been working out at the gym. We go to the gym every Monday. We go to the gym every Monday. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. I have visited 2 countries so far. I have visited 2 countries so far. They are having a party tonight. They are having a party tonight. He has fixed the broken chair. He has fixed the broken chair. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am wearing a blue shirt. She has read that book already. She has read that book already. We have been waiting for an hour. We have been waiting for an hour. It rains a lot during the monsoons. It rains a lot during the monsoons. I take the subway to work. I take the subway to work. They are not watching TV right now. They are not watching TV right now. She has been practicing the piano all day. She has been practicing the piano all day. We have known each other for a long time. We have known each other for a long time. The kids are playing in the backyard. The kids are playing in the backyard. I have seen that movie before. I have seen that movie before. He is studying for the exam. He is studying for the exam. It has been snowing all morning. It has been snowing all morning. Thank you for watching and keep learning.